Hello, we've got another good application for your Viking Epic 2. In fact, any of the Viking embroidery machines will handle this. What we did is we sent a font, a foam font, to the Viking embroidery machine. So what's going to happen is it's going to encase our font with thread through the foam, making it a little bit puffy and give it a 3D look, which is really fun. So a couple of pointers. You should use foam that is the same color as the thread that you're using on your font. That's going to help, okay? Next is, we've got our machine threaded up. I'm gonna tell it to go. Just like an applique, it is going to do a position stitch for me. Of course, it's gonna ask me to get rid of that thread. And we're using the word apple because it's fall and who doesn't love a good apple, right? Besides, I really wanted to use the red thread and the red foam. So it right now is doing my position stitch for the foam. It's going to spell out the word. You see the jump stitches, those don't matter. Then after it gets finished spelling out our word, we're going to position our foam and then we'll be off to the races. I think you're really going to like the look of this 3D font. This would be great for apparel, for bags. All right, so it's done our positioning stitch, and it's going to another color block. Well, the color block is the same. We're not changing color threads, but it's prompting me to put my foam down. Okay, so I'm going to make sure that I've got all the area covered. I'm going to touch go. It's going to start, and then of course it's going to stop for me to trim the thread. There we go. Okay, our stitching is finished. It's time for the big reveal. Let's remove the hoop. We can see where apple is stitched right through the foam, and now I can take the foam and carefully pop it loose. Of course, yes, there's going to be a piece in the middle of the A and the P. We'll come back for that. I think you're really going to like this. Oh, and I've got one jump stitch. Let me grab that real quick. There we go. Okay, and as I said, we're going to peel out the middle of the piece. Get rid of that. And the middle of the A. Okay. Now, if you remember, we did the positioning stitch first, and it went around all the letters, so we knew where to place our foam. But I hope you can see this, how 3D this looks. This is fabulous. What a new element to add to your embroidery projects. Again, for bags, for shirts, for ready to wear, really fun foam fonts. And these are all found in the SewNet software or your Premiere Plus 2 software. Send your message over to your machine, have the foam on hand, and you're ready to go. Till next time, it's Brenda with Luke's.